If your knuckles sound like tiny firecrackers, you're not alone. Let's crack this wide open. All right, let's get straight to the point. Cracking your knuckles does not cause arthritis. Yep, you heard that right. The sound you hear is just gas bubbles popping in your joints. Not much different from opening a fizzy soda. Now, there was this one scientist, Dr. Donald Unger, who cracked only his left hand knuckles for 60 years. Talk about commitment. And guess what? No arthritis. Both hands were just fine. So, the next time someone gives you the stink eye for cracking your knuckles, you can tell them, it's just science, baby. But hey, cracking knuckles can annoy people around you. So maybe crack responsibly? Remember, keep those joints happy and healthy, and don't believe everything you hear. Myth busted. Thanks for watching. Crack on and hit that like button. See you next time.